Let's continue with question 4. Hydrazine? I don't know. One of those. It's a good thing that pronunciation is not a test in chemistry. But then everyone, like a lot of the chem teachers that I have had, also have English as their second language. So to this day, I don't know whether half of the things that I was taught to pronounce was pronounced correctly in the first place. But I guess that's not the point of science. Anyway, it is a highly reactive substance used principally as a rocket fuel. When it is analyzed, its percentage composition is determined to be, so you have 87.4% nitrogen and 12.6% of hydrogen, with a molar mass of 32.06 grams per mole. What is happening? Determine something. Come on, go down. Determine the molecular formula. Alright, so you need to work out the molecular formula. You need to do two things. You need to find the empirical formula and then use this molar mass to get a ratio. So I'm going to start with finding the empirical formula. So we're going to assume the mass of these elements to be the same as their percentage composition. So if I have 87.4% nitrogen and 12.6% hydrogen, I'm going to assume that if I have a sample of 100 grams, 87.4 grams of it will be nitrogen and 12.6 grams will be hydrogen. And I'm going to convert it to mole. So 87.4 I'm going to divide by the molar mass of nitrogen, which is 14, which is going to give me 6.24. And 6.24 is going to be the number of mole. This is still 12.6 because the molar mass of hydrogen is 1. And then the next thing you have to do is you have to divide by the smallest mole. And okay, so that's a 1. And that looks like 2 to me. Very close to. I think that's okay. So it's a 1 to 2 ratio. So the empirical formula, and we just do a quick line here. Empirical formula is going to be NH2. So that's step 1. Step 2 is I need to use the molar mass of the molecule and compare it with the molar mass of the empirical formula to get to the molecular formula. So I need to find molecular formula. And you need to work out the the molar mass of the empirical formula. Let's pray that it will give me a ratio. 14 plus 2. Oh, wow. It's so complicated. Grams per mole. It looks like. Oh, my God. All right. So the ratio here is going to be 32.06 divided by 16. That's not 16. Divided by 16. So that's approximately 2. And I think it's close enough. Which means that the molecular formula is going to be double that. So molecular formula is N2H4. And that's it for question 4. So easy.